Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to install xlsxwriter in Python on Windows 11. Let's get started right away. Click on the Windows icon, then type cmd in the search bar. Once the command prompt appears, click on it. Before installing anything, let's make sure that Python and pip are correctly installed on your system. So in the command prompt, type python space hyphen version, hit enter, and then type pip space hyphen version, hit enter again. If you don't see the version of Python or pip or both after running these two commands, then do not worry. I have made separate videos on how to install Python 3.14 on Windows 11 and how to install pip on Windows 11. You can find the links to those videos in the description box. Go check them out and then come back to this video. But if the versions appear like they do over here after running these commands, you are good to go then. Now, we are going to create a Python project folder to keep things clean. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So type mkdir and the name of the folder. I am going to call it xlsx_project. Hit enter. You can see the folder xlsx_project has been created on my desktop. Now using the cd command, we are going to go inside this folder. Inside this folder, we are going to create a virtual environment. A virtual environment is going to keep our dependencies isolated from other projects. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. It will be python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it xlsx_venv. Hit enter. Now, if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. There you go. No error. Let's run the dir command. You can see the virtual environment xlsx_venv has been created successfully. Now, let's activate this virtual environment. The command is going to be xlsx_venv. That's the name of the virtual environment. /scripts, that's with capital S, / again, activate. Hit enter. And you can see the virtual environment xlsx_venv has become active. Let's now install the xlsxwriter library. The command is going to be pip install xlsxwriter. Hit enter. You can see the installation is begun. Wow. It has ended as well, and this line is so satisfying, which says successfully installed xlsxwriter 3.2.9. Let's quickly verify that xlsxwriter is installed correctly. To do that, let's start a Python prompt. Now we are going to import xlsxwriter first. If this import is successful, that means xlsxwriter is successfully installed. There you go. Let's print its version as well. So we are going to write within the brackets of print xlsxwriter .._version . Hit enter, and the version that appears over here is 3.2.9, which matches the version of the xlsxwriter library that we just installed. Let's now come out of the Python prompt, and finally we are going to deactivate the virtual environment. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the xlsxwriter library in Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.